finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away.
What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. It's Grifa Beauty. For today's video, I have another wig review. I got this unit sent to me by Sensationnel, and it's in the Butter Lace collection. I got the Butter Unit 1 in the color Money Piece Hazel. These are some of the other colors that this unit comes in. If you guys are interested in some other colors of their virtually undetectable HD lace. Their lace is the bomb. Like, if you just pick a style and you know it's a butter lace, you know it's gonna look good. Like, I mean I know it is. Like, so you guys should trust me on this one. There's usually not a lot of plucking needed. I did go in and pluck on mine. I plucked the part a little bit, if you guys could see, because there wasn't a lot of space and I felt like I needed a little bit wider space for me, in my opinion. The density of the hairline is nice, I think. Let me open her up. Let me get her out of this mannequin head. Oop. So it does come with ear-to-ear lace. And as you guys can see, there is enough space here for you guys that like to do extra plucking to go ahead and do that. And yeah, you guys, so this is basically just like a short right part with bob. It is like a number 4 at the top, and then it like, what is this, the hazel color coming in from like to frame your face, and then the ends. It's really cute. I really love this color because it's like natural, but it's like natural in a cute way. It has the 2 combs in the front, the comb in the back, the adjustable strap. If you guys are interested to see how I style her and how she ends up looking for me, then go ahead and keep watching. We'll have the chapters in the description box, so if you guys just want to pick your favorite part, go ahead. And yeah, you guys, I'm so excited about this wig because it's getting hot out there and we do not need all that hair in our face or in our back or in our neck. So bob season, baby. Go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and all of that. Anything really does help and supports my channel a lot. You guys don't even know how much.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the
so this is my finished look for Butta Unit 1. I don't know why I hadn't never saw this unit out there. Like, it is so cute. It is the perfect length, the perfect density. It might be a little tiny bit shiny in my opinion, but I feel like any dry shampoo will take care of it if it feels like it might be too shiny for you guys. I'm right in front of my camera light, so it might look a little shinier than it would in a natural setting or with natural lighting. But yeah, you guys, I don't know if you can see this HD lace. I only put got to be glue like from here to here, and then I like pulled down some hairs, if you guys saw the install, to try to blend this area in. And usually with the side parts, I don't do much with this side because it's not gonna be seen, and if it does get flipped, like, I feel like it wouldn't be that much of an issue there. But yeah, she is definitely cute, definitely a silky texture to her. She is big head friendly in my opinion. Yeah, you guys, this is definitely a cute unit, affordable. I don't know how much she ranges for, but I will leave it somewhere here in the screen, and I will leave links to her in the description box if you guys are interested in this style. But yeah, she makes me feel really, really good. Like, it's a sexy summer unit to stay cool in because it isn't a lot of hair. It's super light in my opinion, and it does look like real hair. Like, if somebody saw me in the street, I don't think they will question me. This is a very cute look. The color is beautiful, and again, they have other colors. Hold on, I should look at that ash blonde. That is really cute. Because, you know, the only reason why I started getting into wigs was because it was like a couple of years back, like maybe 4, 5, 6 years ago, when like silver hair was in, and I just wanted silver hair so bad. But I'm like, I need to bleach the fuck out of my hair, so I started like watching YouTube videos how it ended up happening. But I still haven't had a silver wig, and I don't know if it's because it's not in anymore. It's just, I just ventured out so far away from it and I haven't got the chance. And that looks like a silvery blonde, so I don't know. But enough of me. This is definitely a cute unit, you guys. I think you could play her up or play her down. It's like an everyday wig, I believe, because it doesn't seem to shed a lot. Like, I don't know if you guys saw me pull some hairs, but it's because I cut a lot of the lace off here, and I was just taking off the extra hair from that lace cut. But yeah, I love it. I feel like it looks like my natural hair, and it's a very, very I feel like this wig will last a lot also because it doesn't tingle at all. It doesn't seem to be that material that gets frictiony right away. And I feel like you could get a lot of uses out of this unit and use this more than once or twice. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video or if you guys found it helpful. It really does help a lot. And also become one of my homegirls. Hit the subscribe button so you guys can get updates, and hit the notifications so you guys can get the updates on when I upload new wig videos. I am gonna try to do more lifestyle. I just don't know what topics to do, but let me know if you guys have any suggestions down in the comment box. So thank you so much, guys. Again, I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Bye.
I just flipped the switch.